Hi, my name is Grace Goodman, and today I'm going to be discussing with you certain defenses to drug crimes in California. As we all know, the defense can get as creative as they need to in order to defend their client in court. However, there are certain defenses that are commonly used state and nationwide. These defenses are as follows: entrapment, prescription, search and seizure violations, and that the drugs on your persons were not yours. We're going to go ahead and start with the obvious one. The drugs on your persons was not yours, meaning they weren't your drugs. You had no idea that they were even there. You were not involved. That's the first one. The second one is entrapment. It is illegal for the state to trick someone into committing a crime in order to secure prosecution. What that means is that the government cannot have someone or force someone to commit a crime in order to be able to find them guilty in a court of law. That's entrapment, and that's another common defense when it comes to drug crimes, especially sales. Search and seizure violations. Under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, the government cannot illegally search and seize your persons, meaning they cannot violate that right. If the government has violated that right and they found drugs or other narcotics on you, that would be a good defense in a court of law to show why the government and the prosecution cannot find you guilty. It's what's called fruit of the poisonous tree. Lastly, prescription. In California, up until recently, marijuana was not legal unless you had a prescription from a doctor that you could use marijuana for medical use. Now, if you were arrested for having marijuana on you and you had a prescription, the court could not find you guilty of that because you were legally allowed to have it. So that was another common defense that has been used. If you have any questions about anything I just stated, please go ahead and call the Nieves Law Firm. Or if you have any questions in general regarding your own drug case, we urge you to reach out. We're happy to help.